Okay guys, do you want to know more of Singapore history and more some Seven Raffles and Boat Quay? Coming up. Okay guys, so in the first episode, right? Remember we walked the bridge, then we see all the buildings and all the old stuff, right? Now in the second episode, right? We are gonna explore more of Boat Quay, okay? And it's gonna be the whole Boat Quay place. Okay, so shall we go? Okay guys, we're walking through Boat Quay. This used to be the commercial district of Singapore in the 1819s, you know. Okay guys, so you see the picture I'm holding up? It's totally gone. Okay, so now means this is how it looks like in the 1830s. This. A lot of new buildings are built here. This place is totally gone. This is how it looked like in the 1830s. Okay. Okay guys, so you see the picture I'm holding, we're at the exact same spot. This is the difference of 2019 and 1850, you don't see? You see? It looks exactly the same because you see these stairs? Those stairs are also there.
Yep, the stairs are there.
Look at how much difference is there from 1850, like looks like this, and now.
Can we hold it up straight? Straight? Straight up like that.
Yeah. Look at the difference. You see? It looks just like the same, but it only changed a bit, right?
Yep.
Right, guys? Like the building's here now.
Yep.
You see, the building looks different. You see? And then look at that building behind us. It's way taller than the one in here. Okay, guys. So we're at this perfect spot where the Victoria Hall, right, is still there, and then you could see that old little building with a clock, right? It's very, very old. It was like here in maybe the 19th century, right? And you see, you see, it looks quite different from the picture from here and there. And you look at this lamppost here. It's also very old. You see, as you know, now there is a lamppost, and because there are trees here, also, you see. Look at the difference. Do you see the boat? The boats are now automatic, but then last time they had to row the boats. Because last time they did not make what was that thing called again? The propeller yet. So they had to row the boats.
Very good, that's true.
Okay guys, so as you see these last time, right, these are how the merchants look like. You see some people also must be barefooted, you know. Because there are not that really many shoes last time. You see like that guy, he's barefooted. These are only statues, but then some of them must be barefooted because they are not that, because shoes aren't that many shoes in the world yet. Okay, they're not that really common. Okay guys, and also last time they used to use bullock carts to get around the Singapore. Because the cars weren't invented yet, so they had to use these bullock carts to get around the Singapore. Guys, so this is the ever first Singapore bridge that was made. Okay, very, very old. Okay, so
what's the name of the bridge?
The bridge is called Kavanagh Bridge. A Kavanagh Bridge, okay, that will walk across the river from here to get to the Victoria Hall. Okay, guys, so we are right now still at Boat Quay. Okay, this picture was taken in 1865. Okay, so look at the difference from now and then. Yeah, they still look old. Yeah, some look the same, you see guys? Some look the same.
Maybe hold it up again, Reagan. Come on.
Okay guys, you see? Some of them look the same. You see from here? Okay, you see from here, right? And then you look from there. Wow, it looks the same, right, Pa?
Little bit, yeah. Not totally, but yeah.
But it is very old still. Okay guys, so right now we are on the opposite side of Boat Quay. So look at this picture. Okay, so when we go the other way around, right, we'll reach the Victoria Hall, and the one just right behind me is the Asian Civilization Museum. Look very old, right? Right guys? Okay, so we're gonna explore more of Boat Quay right now. Okay, so let's go and explore Boat Quay. Guys, hope you enjoy this tour of Boat Quay, and we tell you about Sir Stephen Raffles coming to Singapore, right? Hope you like and subscribe and ring the notification so you'll be ready for our next video.